In this video, we will see about artificial intelligence. In today's world, technology is grooming very fast, and day by day we are getting in touch with different new technologies, machines and devices. Now one of the booming technology of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making machines with the brain. Artificial intelligence currently working with a variety of fields. For example, self-driving cars, proving theorem, painting, playing chess and music. Before learning about artificial intelligence, we should know what is the importance of artificial intelligence and why should we learn it. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can create software or device which can solve problems easily and with accuracy for marketing, health and traffic issues. You can create your personal virtual assistant. You can create robots which can work in an environment where survival of human at risk. Artificial intelligence is creation of intelligent machines which perform like human. For example, speech recognition, problem solving, learning and planning. With artificial intelligence, you do not need to pre-program a machine to do work. You can create a machine with programmed algorithm which can work with own intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an interdisciplinary field that requires knowledge in computer science, psychology, neuron science, engineering, biology, mathematics, philosophy, sociology, ethics and statistics. History of artificial intelligence. John McCarthy first coined the term artificial intelligence in the year 1956. According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. History began artificial intelligence. Evaluation of artificial neurons in 1943, invention of tuning machine in 1950, coined the word artificial intelligence in 1956. ELIZA first chatbot in 1966, Wordbot 1 first intelligent robot in 1972, first artificial intelligence winner in 1980, second artificial intelligence winner in 1993, world chess champion in 1997, Roomba vacuum in 2002, launch of Google Now in 2012, Amazon Echo in 2015, Google Duplex formation of virtual assistant in 2018. Goals of artificial intelligence: to create expert systems which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain and advise its user. To implement human intelligence in machines. Creating systems that understand, think, learn and behave like human. Artificial intelligence is one of the fascinating and universal field of computer science which has a great scope in future. Nowadays, companies like Google, Facebook, IBM and Amazon are working with artificial intelligence and creating amazing devices. The future of artificial intelligence is inspiring and will come with high intelligence.